Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download iTunes on Windows 11 for device syncing step by step clearly. To download iTunes on Windows 11 for device syncing, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type apple.com/iTunes and press enter. This will take you to the official iTunes page on Apple's website. Look for the download button prominently displayed on the page. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. A pop-up may appear asking for your permission to save the file. Confirm the action by clicking on Save or OK. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the iTunes setup file, which should be named something like itunessetup.exe. Double-click the setup file to start the installation process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation. The iTunes Setup wizard will now open. Click Next to proceed with the installation. You will be presented with the license agreement. Read through the agreement, and if you accept the terms, select the option to agree. Continue clicking Next until you reach the installation options. You can choose to create a shortcut on your desktop if you prefer. Once satisfied with your selections, click the Install button. The installation process will now begin. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. You can now click Finish to close the setup wizard. iTunes should automatically launch upon finishing the installation. If it doesn't, find the iTunes icon on your desktop or search for it in the Start menu. Once iTunes is open, you may connect your device for syncing. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up your device in iTunes. This completes the process of downloading and installing iTunes on Windows 11 for device syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.